Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This is the control center for limits. Choose This is my child's iPad if controlling another user, or Set up for yourself and add a passcode. Make sure the Screen Time passcode is different from the device passcode to prevent bypass. Once done, you'll have access to downtime, app limits, and content and privacy. These three sections do the heavy lifting, so proceed to configure them now. Next, set downtime to block apps during chosen hours. Select Always Allowed apps like phone or education tools. Then create app limits by category or individual app, choosing daily time allowances and adding exceptions as needed. After that, enable content and privacy restrictions to control purchases, web content, and explicit material. Limit adult websites or set allowed sites. You're shaping daily behavior and content exposure, so take a moment to tailor each option to your child's age. Finally, review every setting and test them by launching blocked apps to confirm enforcement. Make adjustments if limits are too strict or too loose. If you manage multiple devices, set up family sharing to approve requests and adjust settings remotely. If something goes wrong, like forgetting the Screen Time passcode, use Apple's passcode recovery procedure or erase and restore the device as a last resort. Keep proof of ownership handy. Make sure to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.